Okay, good day and mabuhay. Our lesson for today is finding the percentage rate and base of a number. So this is still we are on the second quarter and this is week 3. And welcome to my channel. This is Maestro05DS. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the videos. Again, finding the percentage rate and base of a number. Okay, so let me define first the meaning of the term. So we have the rate. So that is the comparison of the percentage to the base, which is expressed in percent, and it is represented by the percent again. Again, so percent sign. So R is equals to P over the B, and I'll discuss that as we go on using the Tekans triangle. And then we have for the base, that is the quantity that represent the whole. The number is accompanied by the word of, which is equals to B is equals to P over B. And the last term is percentage, that is the quantity which is part of a whole. It is accompanied by the word is, again P is equals to RB. Again, using the Tekans triangle, for you to remember the three formulas. So let me show you the triangle. The top is the P, then we have the R, we have the B. If P is equals to, then we are looking for the P, so that is equals to R times the base. And then if R is unknown, let's cover R. So that is R is equals to P over B times 100. And then another triangle, let me do again another triangle. If we're looking for the B, so that is, if you look, this is the B and here is the R, so that is equals to, of course, on top of the triangle is the P, and here is the unknown, which is the B. So to have the P is equals to, B is equals to P over the R. Okay, so the percentage divided by R. Okay, so to give you an example, let us identify the P, the R, and the B. So we have 16 is 20% of 80. So 16, so let us identify. So 16 is, okay, so this is the percentage. The 20 is the rate. And of course, 80 is the base. So this is the biggest number. Why? Because this is the base. Okay, so percentage is part of a whole. Okay, to give you an example, 20% of 80 is what number? 20% of 80 is what number? Take note that we are looking for the part, a part of the number. So 80 is the base, so we're looking for what number? So again, 20% of 80 is what? So 20 is, of course, is our R. And then of means times, and then 80 is the base, and is the equal, and what number is the P. Okay, so to rewrite, that is P is equals to RB, and R is equals to 20% times the 80. And then let's change 20% to decimal. Just move the decimal point twice from right to left. So 1, 2. So percent means 100. So therefore this will become 0.2. And then multiply 80 by 0.02 or the 2/10. So that will become 0.2 times 80 is equals to 160. And there is only one decimal place, so the answer is 16. Okay, again, the answer is equals to 16. Again, so 20% of 80 is 16. Okay, next, there are 48 pupils in grade 6, Sampaguita. 25 of them are boys, how many are girls? Again, we are looking for girls. Of course, we have to solve how many are boys first. Again, it says 48 pupils in grade 6. Sampaguita, 25% of them are boys. So let us solve first the P. Okay, so we have the R is equals to 25%. And then we have the base is 48 and the P is unknown. So, of course, the P will now become the boys. Okay, so P is equals for R times the base. And R is equals to 25% times the 48, which is the base. Change 25% to decimal by just moving the decimal point twice to the left, so that will become 0.25. And then 0.25 multiplied by 48. So again, so 48 times 25 hundredths equals 5 times 8 is 40, carry 4. Then 5 times 4 is 20, plus 4 is 24. Then 2 times 8 is 16, carry 1. Then 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And then plus, that will become, bring down 0. 4 plus 6 is 10, carry 1, 3, plus 9 is 12. So how many decimal places? There are 2. 1, 2. So 1, 2. So the decimal point is located between 2 and 0. Therefore, the boys in grade 6 Sampaguita is 12. And then you have to subtract. There are 48 pupils. 48 minus 12 is 36. So, how many are girls? So, therefore, there are 36 girls in the class. Next. Okay, what is 70% of 360? So, that will become R is 70%, and then B is 360, P is unknown, so that will become P is equals to R times the B, and R is equals to 70% times the 360, change 70% to decimal, that will become 0.7 by just moving twice the decimal point, 1, 2, so that is 0.7 times 360 is equals to 360 times 0.7, that will become 7 times 0 is 0, 7 times 6 is 42, carry 4, and then 7 times 3 is 21, plus 4 is 25. So again, how many decimal places? So 1. So 1. So the answer is equals to 252. Next, we have 35% of 180 is what number? So again, our R is equals to 25%, and then 180 is equals to B, and the P is unknown. So P is equals to RB, and this is equals to 35% times 180, change 35% to decimal, that will become 0.35 times 180, change 35% to decimal, that is will become 0.35, just most moving, and then 180 times 0.35, so that will become 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 8 is 40, carry 4, and then 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9, then 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 8 is 24, carry 2, then 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5, then add. So bring down 0, 9 plus 4 is 3, carry 1, plus 5 is 6. So how many decimal places? 2. So the decimal point is located to 3 and 0. So therefore, the answer is equals to 63. And for your learning activities, so you have to answer the 3 numbers. So you have to solve. So you have what is 58% of 480, 55% of 450, and 85% of 780 is what amount. So that's it. And thank you. So thanks for watching, and please do not forget to click the subscription button and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated on all my videos. Okay, so pasensya na ako, medyo maingay kasi medyo maingay na sa labas. So I cannot control them kasi uwian na. Okay, so again, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.